In this video, I just want to really quickly go over what you're looking at. Start the digital notebook for mathematics. The first tab, you will see lesson. You can go to practice after the lesson, and then you can try to take the quiz for understanding. Usually you will have about 3 try for the practice or the graded quiz, and we will take the highest score that you have. You will not have any more attempts after that. There will be no answer posted because I don't want anyone to cheat, and that is the reason why I also will give you guys 3 try to practice. Okay, so if you don't get it right, try to get back into the lesson, try to go back into the practice to find the answers. Make sure that you watch everything and complete everything, and then you will be able to get an A on the practice, and we will keep the highest grade from the 3 practice that you try. Okay, then after that, depend on the unit, we will have some sort of writing. Maybe it's an error analysis, maybe it's a word vocabulary that you have to turn in a Freire model, or maybe it's just some kind of type of reflection or some type of discussions that we will ask you to do for that lesson or for that unit. You are expected to get a blank copy of your composition notebook to be keep in your Google Drive, and every 6 weeks we will go ahead and ask you to turn in this math composition notebook where you upload all the completed notes and completed work, and anything completed in class you can upload it here and keep track of it by using the table of contents, the blank table of content, to work on it as we go for the 6 week. You don't have to wait until the end. Do remember to insert pictures of all the completed notes and work, and don't throw it away until June. Every 6 weeks, we will ask you to turn it in, and close to that time, you will see a table of content that look like this. Remember to drag your newest slide to the top.
I hope that you will do it just like this.
The table of content will be the top page so that we can always refer to the page number or the slide number that you filled in for me. Maybe this is on slide 1. Actually, slide 1 is the table of content, so it cannot be what is algebra or what is the language of geometry, cannot be slide number 1, right? The slide number is right here, the number on the left of this slide right here. So maybe you have 2 table of content pages, so this would be on page 3, or maybe it's on page 5, whatever it is. Make sure to fill it in. You can always make a copy of this blue box if you need more, so just do Control C or Command C if you're on a Mac, and you can see we can make a another one to drag it down here for the new one. Always drag your newest slide to the very top. And when you turn in your notebook, the first slide I should see is the table of content. The second slide will be maybe more table of content if you have more. And maybe you can also have, the next one would be the notes or the work started already. Okay, so this will be maybe the 3rd page where you get the notes and work turned in. And then this may be the last page that I see because you keep dragging the newest slide to the top, right? So table of content, maybe more table of contents. And then it start with your completed notes and work. And maybe the last slide will be this page right here. Okay, but this page is optional. If you don't have this page, it's not a big deal for your composition notebook. It's nice to have it in though. Okay, and you may also copy blank template pages as needed to write and insert more notes or more work. You may also see that there are things that you don't have on this table of content. You can go ahead and use this button, the text box, and you can insert it in between. If you know the order where it is, you write the description in. Don't forget to give me the slide number as well. You might want to take out your phone and take a picture of your completed work to be uploaded into your math notebook and save it. Or you might want to take a screenshot, and you can know how to do the screenshot by checking out Miss Nong How To Technology Help, right? And it will show you how to take the screenshot with your Chromebook or whatever computer you're on. And that way you can save your completed note in or completed work into your notebook to be turned in. So that's the way that we're working on this. The math interactive notebook is only as good as you make it to be. So you will hopefully give me some kind of suggestions how to make it better, if you see it in a better way, or however that to make it easier for you to understand, to do. I hope to get some of your feedback so that I can make it better for you the next time. So feel free to email me at amber.nong@sausdlearns.net, or right on top of my Canvas page or on the school webpage. I have the email right there. You just click on it and the address will be put into your email. So you just send me a couple notes to make it better. If you have any suggestions or ideas, or something is not very helpful, you can also tell me that. Go ahead and begin.